Hello dear friends, today we will demonstrate you the final welding of the hull powerboat Teknomar 777 cabin. As you may see, the welder very carefully welds the seam of the bottom and side of the boat. This is very crucial moment because during the final welding of seams from high temperature, bumps might appear on the boat's hull surfaces, which will spoil outside look. But our welder welds with durable precision. No rush, quality is priority. Our seam is strong and smooth and comply DNV classification requirements, as well as Nordic boat standard. Of course, the quality of welding also depends on the welding equipment. For welding Teknomar boats, we use the best in the world welding machines of the Austrian company Fronius. That's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.